So welcome back. We're going to do scientific notation again, but this time we're going to go the other direction. We're going to give you some things that may be a scientific notation, and we're going to change them back to standard notation, or what we also call decimal notation. So let's look at the first example. 2 times 10 to the negative 1. That would indeed be in scientific notation. But what we want to do is move it back into decimal notation. So remember what this 10 to the negative 1 means. 10 to the negative 1 is another way to write 1/10, and 1/10 kind of implies dividing by 10. And dividing by 10 means that you're going to lose a place value. So in other words, our decimal has to slide to the left one spot. So 10 to the negative 1 means to move your decimal one spot to the left. And we end up with 0.2. So in other words, our answer would be 2/10. Notice again, if you have a whole number, that decimal is understood to be there. They won't mark it there. You have to put it there because whole numbers, it's understood to be there. It's 804 times 10 squared. This isn't even in scientific notation, but we're not asked to put it in scientific notation. We're just asked to put it in decimal notation. So all we really got to do is do 10 squared. And remember, 10 squared means multiply by 10 twice, which means to increase our place value twice. So our decimals here, we have to increase our place value twice. So that means 804 add 2 zeros. Or slide the decimal 2 places to the right. It's now down in. So 80,400 would be that answer. Number 3, I have 1 5/10 times 10 to the negative second. Now remember, 10 to the negative second means to divide by 10 twice. So in other words, move the decimal 2 places to the left. So again, a negative number even implies that, moving to the left. So here's your decimal, slide 2 to the left, and we should have then 0.015. So in other words, our answer would be 15 thousandths. That would be our decimal notation for that. 5 times 10 to the 0. Again, 10 to the 0 is what? I'm hearing you. So we know that means 5 times 1, and therefore our answer would be 5. So that would be our decimal notation for that. It would just be the number 5. Remember, the decimal is understood to be there. We don't have to put it there. Okay? So that concludes. I think we have a few applications, but hopefully you found that not so hard to do. Stay tuned.